Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can adjust the volume of an audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. I'm just going to select the video first and drag it on my timeline here. To edit the audio, first you need to unlink the audio. I'm just going to select this and right click on that and just hit unlink. Now my audio is unlinked. I'm just going to select the audio and right click on that and select this option, audio gain. Once I do that, I'm just going to adjust gain by 5. If you want your volume to be higher, you just need to add more value to that. If you want to reduce the volume, just add the value, but first you need to add the minus sign as well. So we are just going to make the volume higher, so I'm not going to add the minus. I'll be just choosing 5 and I'm going to hit OK. You can see that the bars have gone higher than before. If I undo this, you can see it was before and this is now. You can see that the gain is plus 5 decibel, and if you want to reduce this volume, just right click on that. Again select to the audio gain. Here you can add the value of minus 5 and just hit OK. You can see the volume have just gone down. If you want to decrease more volume, just right click on that. Again you need to go to the audio gain, select minus 5 decibel again and hit OK. And there you go. That's how you can adjust the volume of an audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.